Did you know there's a tiny lentil that's been fueling people for over 4,000 years? This humble bean has quietly shaped the diets and traditions of entire civilizations, from ancient India to modern kitchens around the world. It's a story of resilience, nutrition, and culinary creativity, one that's often overlooked in favor of flashier superfoods. It's not just food, it's medicine, tradition, and a protein powerhouse. For generations, families have relied on this lentil to nourish their bodies and souls, weaving it into rituals, remedies, and everyday meals. Its versatility and nutritional value have made it a staple in countless homes. In some cultures, it's so valuable it's used to treat everything from aching muscles to nervous system issues. Healers and home cooks alike have turned to this lentil for its restorative properties, believing it can strengthen the body and calm the mind. We're talking about Urad Gota, a legume with more protein, ounce for ounce, than many meats. It's packed with essential amino acids, iron, and minerals, making it a nutritional powerhouse for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. It's a culinary chameleon: fluffy cakes, crispy crepes, hearty stews. This lentil does it all. Whether you're craving comfort food or experimenting with new flavors, Urad Gota adapts beautifully, lending its creamy texture and subtle taste to a world of dishes. This isn't a trendy superfood, it's an ancient staple hiding in plain sight. While quinoa and chia grab headlines, Urad Gota quietly continues its legacy, connecting us to generations past and nourishing us in the present. Today, we're giving Urad Gota the spotlight it deserves. It's time to rediscover this unsung hero and appreciate the depth it brings to our plates and our health. We'll explore its history, nutritional science, and show you how to use it in your kitchen. From ancient Ayurvedic texts to modern nutrition labels, Urad Gota's story is rich and fascinating. Imagine a food that can be ground into flour for delicate dosas, or simmered into a creamy dal. Its unique properties make it essential for both texture and taste in classic recipes. That's the everyday magic of Urad Gota, a testament to the ingenuity of cooks throughout history. Each dish tells a story of adaptation, resourcefulness, and the joy of sharing food with loved ones. Our mission: discover the secrets and power of this humble legume. We'll uncover its hidden benefits, explore its many uses, and learn why it stood the test of time. By the end, you'll know why Urad Gota matters and how to use it. You'll be ready to bring its magic into your own kitchen, creating meals that are both nourishing and delicious. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious beginner, there's something here for everyone. The adventure is just beginning. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of the little black lentil that could. So, what exactly is Urad Gota? If you've ever wandered through an Indian grocery store or peeked into a South Asian kitchen, you've probably seen these small, creamy white lentils. But what makes them so special, and why do they hold such an important place in Indian cooking? Urad Gota is the whole-skinned black gram lentil, creamy white inside minus its black coat. When the black outer skin is removed, you're left with these pale, oval-shaped seeds that are packed with culinary potential. This ingredient is a cornerstone of Indian cuisine, especially in the South, where its unique properties shine. From bustling city kitchens to rural homes, Urad Gota is a staple that brings families together over delicious meals. Urad Gota, also known as Vignamungo, has roots deep in the Indian subcontinent. It's one of the oldest cultivated legumes, with a history stretching back thousands of years. Its journey from ancient fields to modern kitchens is a testament to its enduring value. Generations have perfected ways to use it, passing down techniques still used today. Whether it's a grandmother teaching her grandchild or a chef experimenting with new recipes, Urad Gota connects people through tradition and taste. The magic of Urad Gota lies in its texture. When soaked and ground, it transforms into an incredibly sticky paste, perfect for making fermented batters like those used in idli and dosa. This stickiness is what gives these dishes their signature fluffiness and softness. That sticky quality traps air bubbles during fermentation, creating light, airy textures that are essential for perfect idlis and crisp dosas. It's a natural food science experiment happening right in your kitchen. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or high-tech gadgets. Just a bowl, some water, and a little patience, and you're on your way to mastering this ancient ingredient. So, Urad Gota is more than just another lentil. It's a specialized tool for some of India's most beloved dishes. Ancient, versatile, and essential, it's the secret behind countless recipes that have stood the test of time. Now that you know what Urad Gota is and why it matters, let's take a closer look at what's inside these tiny powerhouses. Ready for the nutritional breakdown? Let's dive in and discover the health benefits packed into every bite. Time for the nutritional deep dive. Urad Gota is a plant-based protein heavyweight, about 25 grams per 100 grams, rivaling chicken or fish. It's packed with essential amino acids for building and repairing tissues. It's also loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber, great for digestion and keeping you full. Minerals? It's a treasure chest. Iron for energy, magnesium for muscle and nerve function, potassium for heart health, and phosphorus for strong bones. Plus, it's rich in B vitamins, especially folate, crucial for cell growth and especially important for pregnant women. So, don't see Urad Gota as just another bean. It's a compact, efficient delivery system for protein, fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Nature's complete package. Next, let's see what it does for your gut. Onward. Let's talk gut health. The fiber in Urad Gota is a digestive superstar. Insoluble fiber keeps things moving, while soluble fiber feeds your good gut bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome. Soaking and fermenting Urad Gota, as in traditional recipes, breaks down anti-nutrients and makes nutrients easier to absorb. That's why dishes like idli and dosa are so gentle on the stomach. For all ages, Urad Gota promotes regularity, nourishes your gut, and is easy to digest. Sometimes the oldest solutions are still the best. Let's see what else this lentil can do. Building muscle? Urad Gota's high-quality protein is your ally. It's perfect for athletes, seniors, and anyone wanting to stay strong, supplying essential amino acids for muscle growth and repair. Protein isn't just for muscles, it's vital for hair, skin, nails, enzymes, hormones, and your immune system. For kids and teens, Urad Gota supports healthy growth and development. Its soft, easy-to-eat forms make it great for toddlers too. And don't forget, bone health. Urad Gota delivers protein, magnesium, and phosphorus for a strong skeletal system. It's a holistic approach to building a resilient body. Next up, heart health. Let's keep going. Your heart works hard. Give it some love with Urad Gota. Potassium and magnesium help lower blood pressure and keep your heart rhythm steady. Soluble fiber binds cholesterol, helping lower LDL, the bad cholesterol. Urad Gota is low in fat and cholesterol, making it a heart-smart choice. Folate helps keep homocysteine levels in check, protecting your arteries. Swap out fatty meats for Urad Gota, and your heart will thank you. Simple, delicious, and protective. Now, let's get practical in the kitchen. It's time to bring Urad Gota into your kitchen and discover just how easy and delicious cooking with this humble bean can be. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, Urad Gota is about to become your new favorite ingredient. Here are 3 easy missions to get you started, each one designed to show off a different side of Urad Gota. Mission 1. Creamy stew. Begin by soaking Urad Gota to soften it up, then simmer gently with onions, garlic, ginger, and a sprinkle of turmeric. Let the flavors meld and the beans turn tender, filling your kitchen with a warm, inviting aroma. Finish your stew with a swirl of creamy coconut milk or a squeeze of fresh lemon for brightness. Serve it over fluffy rice for a comforting, nourishing meal that's perfect for any night of the week. Mission 2. Supercharged pancake. Add Urad Gota flour to your favorite pancake or waffle mix. Just a simple swap that makes a big difference. Replace a quarter cup of your usual mix with Urad Gota flour. It blends right in, boosting the nutrition without changing the flavor. The result? Pancakes that are fluffier, packed with more protein and fiber, and keep you full and energized for hours. It's a breakfast upgrade you'll actually taste. Mission 3. Crispy spice topping. Heat a little oil in a pan, add whole Urad Gota, and fry until the beans turn golden and irresistibly crunchy. Sprinkle this crispy topping over roasted veggies, creamy yogurt, or even a sunny-side egg. It adds a burst of texture and a nutty, toasty flavor that transforms any dish. These 3 missions show just how versatile Urad Gota can be. Whether you want something creamy, hearty, or crunchy, there's a way to use it. Creamy, hearty, crunchy. Urad Gota does it all, and each dish brings out a new texture and flavor. No fancy gadgets or special equipment needed, just a little curiosity and a willingness to try something new. The stew comforts, the pancakes nourish, and the topping surprises with every bite. Pick one mission and give it a try. You might just discover a new favorite way to cook. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Cooking is about experimenting, so have fun with it. Start simple, then let your creativity take over as you get comfortable. Urad Gota is your new secret weapon in the kitchen, nutritious, versatile, and ready for anything. Are you curious how it compares to other legumes? Let's see how Urad Gota stacks up against other legumes. Onward to the next adventure. In the legume aisle, how does Urad Gota compare? Red and brown lentils cook fast and get mushy. Great for soups, but Urad Gota's sticky batter is unmatched for fermentation. Chickpeas are protein-rich, but Urad Gota edges them out and creates unique batters for idli and dosa. Chickpea flour is great for frying, but doesn't ferment like Urad Gota. Kidney beans are hearty, but need thorough boiling and have a different flavor and texture. Urad Gota is a textural specialist, creamy, sticky, and perfect for airy, fermented dishes. It's not about replacing other lentils, but using the right tool for the job. Urad Gota brings unique superpowers to your kitchen. Add it to your toolkit. One last word of advice coming up. You've learned the history, nutrition, and kitchen magic of Urad Gota. It's a superfood. No cape required. Your kitchen is your lab. Experiment and explore. Remember, this is educational, not medical advice. Consult a professional before making big dietary changes. Be smart, be safe, then be adventurous. Let this be the start of your food exploration. Wander the international aisle, pick up something new, and learn about it. Good eats are about understanding the why behind the what. Share what you've learned. Empower others to make better food choices. Food connects and nourishes us. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a batch of batter to check on. The lab is open. Happy cooking.